Hello and welcome back to a brand new video. Thank you so much for being here, you guys, and clicking on this video and taking some time out to enjoy this one. We are spending some time here in the beginning of this video in the downstairs guest bedroom. I rarely ever really show this room because there's not a whole lot going on in here. It's usually more of like a storage closet. But we were actually getting ready to go out of town to celebrate our 15-year wedding anniversary. I posted over on my community tab that we were celebrating, and thank you for all the love on that photo if that was one of you guys. Also, I have Liberty and Boston here. They are roughhousing in the background, so I apologize if you hear some shuffling around and some barking. They are having a grand old time. But since we were going to be hosting my mother-in-law here in our home to watch the boys and the puppies, I decided to come in here in this guest bedroom and give it some much needed attention. And of course, that was taking off all the sheets and the blankets and getting everything all washed and fresh. I also had a few things just piling up in here. This is definitely the I'll do it later room, and just the most random things get shoved in this room. And every once in a while, I need an excuse to come in here and clear it out and clean it up. And this was one of those times. So I'm taking you guys with me. So we're starting here in the downstairs guest bedroom. Then we'll go over to the guest bathroom and then the family room and just kind of make our way around the house. This room still needs a lot of work, and I would say it's in an awkward phase, but I still wanted to make it nice and inviting and comfortable for our guests. So I always try and use good sheets, fluffy blankets, good pillows, and even, use the power of scent. I love this rain scented linen spray from Mrs. Meyer's. And then I always love to even put out a tray with like some waters or like little candies. So as we're going through this room, I have a lot of my backstock home decor in here, which I really need to address and go through some things. But as you can see, I have shelving in here. This is all just kind of like extra furniture that we put in this room. So definitely didn't go out and design this room and pick out this furniture. It just kind of happened, but it's nice to have the extra storage. So I'm just kind of moving things around, tucking things away and clearing off surfaces. That way, whenever we have a guest, they have a place to put their things. They can plug in their phone, they can have fresh towels, and just have a space to unpack and tuck away their luggage. Just clean this bedding. And Nuku jumped up here. Boston, that's for your grandma. Uh-oh. That's for your grandma. That's for your grandma. We just made it all nice and pretty and clean. Goes, well, I'm gonna sleep with her in here anyway, so she better get used to it, lady. Good boy. You may recognize this shelf. It used to be out in the family room, and I ended up moving it into here because I wasn't really sure if I wanted to keep it or get rid of it. And so I'm kind of like in that phase where I almost listed it to sell it, and then something told me just hang on to it a little bit longer. So I know it's kind of awkward in this spot, but at the same time, it gives surfaces to place personal items and belongings and whatnot. So I'm just kind of like clearing it off, leaving a couple decorative things on here and wiping it down. And you know, people can maybe put their perfumes or makeup bags or whatever they want to lay out to be comfortable. It just gives extra place to put their things. So even though it doesn't technically look the best in this corner, at least it's still very functional. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys have any fun trips coming up this year. We usually try and take a major trip once a year. We've done Hawaii and Cabo the last couple of years, and we're trying to figure out what we want to do this year. So let me know if you guys have any plans for this spring or summer, and also let me know if you guys are ready for spring, because I know that I am. This week where I was filming this video, it was actually in the 80s this week, and it was really nice. So we had a lot of the windows open, and we were able to like wear shorts and spend time in the backyard. The dogs were swimming in the pool. It was really, really nice, but it was short-lived, and it was raining here yesterday. And so I know it's still technically winter, but spring is in the horizon. It's in just a few weeks, and I cannot wait for it. So let me know if you guys have anything fun planned for this spring or summer, and if you guys are ready to say goodbye to winter. So here is the room. It is clean, it's tidy, all the sheets are nice and fresh, and we put out a nice towel and some water bottles, and whatever she needs, she can make herself at home. The boys are the age where they can be very helpful as well, so if she needed anything while we were away, they are very, very helpful. So moving on to the guest bathroom, I wanted to get this bathroom squeaky clean for her if she wanted to, you know, use the shower, or she'll be getting ready in here. It just gives her a nice clean surface and space to get ready in. If it comes in while I'm filming this video, I will put a clip, but we ordered a new faucet, or just doing a couple things in this bathroom. The one that we have has been leaking, and I love it. It's so pretty, and if I didn't have to replace it, I wouldn't, but I ordered a new 3-piece faucet set for this vanity, and I'm hoping it comes in and I can show it to you guys. But I get a lot of those little pieces over on Amazon. I feel like you still get really good quality for a really good price, rather than going to like Home Depot or Lowe's. It could easily be double or triple the price. So I always try and do some shopping around before I just pop over to Home Depot or Lowe's. and I found a few that I love, so keep watching and I will share it later in this video.
Come out and play. It's Saturday, and I promise I'll love you much better now. The sour taste will wash away, 'cause I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be, but I just feel like dancing.
So we are having to replace the faucet here in the bathroom, and this is the one that I picked out. So my husband's actually working on this right now, and I think I want to also replace the handles on this vanity. But I will show you guys probably in my next video. The bathroom should be done. We're just doing like a few little overdue updates in here, but I think that's gonna look really, really pretty. So here are the handles. These are like nice and heavy, just an Amazon find. So I needed a 3-piece set. Let me see if it has the brand on it. Let me know if you guys are in the market for a new faucet. It has different colors, but I decided to go with this brush gold. Let me know if you guys have any house projects that you guys want to be working on. We have a few things in the back of our mind, but I'm not sure when they're actually going to get done. I'll have to go over all that with you guys in a separate video, but we're always doing something around this house. This house is night and day what it used to look like when we bought it. And if you guys are new here, you could always go back on my channel and see a lot of the changes that we've done here throughout the years. We usually try and do one major thing every year. We painted the exterior of the house last spring, and I would really like to paint the inside this spring, but it's definitely not like a top priority that we're in a rush for or anything. But there's always like the little honeydew things around the house, or little overdue things, or getting the carpets cleaned, the windows washed, like those bigger things that are maybe like annual. That is really my main focus right now, especially having 2 puppies in the house. I would love to just have a professional carpet cleaner come in here and do all the rugs and all the carpet, just give it like a clean slate. And I will say having a leather couch has been so amazing, and we actually purchased this leather couch previous to getting puppies. So I'm gonna thank the universe for that one and kind of guiding us to this couch, and has been absolutely amazing. But as you guys can see, we got the guest bedroom clean, the downstairs bathroom clean, and now we're moving into the main spaces of the house, because I'm sure everyone's gonna be hanging out in these spaces while my husband and I are away, and we just want everyone to be comfortable. I really should do a dedicated life update video. If you guys are new here, I used to put out 2 videos a week, and since the new year, I've only been putting out 1. I definitely kind of feel like a shift going on, and I'm not really sure what that looks like. I'm just kind of going with it, and I've just been kind of posting what feels right. My last video, I posted a thrifting video, which you guys, I had so much fun making that one. It didn't perform the best, but it's one of those things, you have to do things for you. My decorating videos definitely perform the best on my channel, but please let me know what you guys like to see. I'm kind of feeling like I'm hitting a little bit of like a creator's block, and I'm just not really sure what I want to do on this channel anymore. And so I would love to hear what you guys have to say about it. I love doing home stuff, I will say that, whether that's like room refreshes or shopping or hauls. Just things that come natural to me, but I've definitely gravitated away from a lot of like the cleaning content, but it does perform on my channel. So I know that's what you guys like to see, but YouTube can be very, very confusing sometimes. So obviously, this is a hobby, and I don't ever want it to feel forced. but I do want to make sure I can at least get up one video a week for you guys. But thank you so much for watching today. If you guys enjoyed this one, I hope that you will consider liking and subscribing before you leave. And other than that, I'll see you guys next time in a brand new video. Bye, friends.
And when she's gonna miss her so, I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about.